All right, next lot. It is some of these Thomas 2009. None of these do have or contain motors, but there are a lot of parts. Nice wheels with rubber rings. They come with. I was about to paint this. I no longer have the time. Check the link in the description. There are so many parts. This can be turned into a good custom model. Nothing else that you can find in here. There's no motor, but they do have a lot of good chassis. The tops are good. Um, I don't know where I left all the parts, but yeah, if interested, check the link in the description. These are on eBay page. My last few days. Look, they do have a lot of. I mean, these are hard to find. I mean, I'm talking about the rubber ring, but these are built into the wheel, so you cannot remove them. But there are a lot in here, so check the link in the description.